Linkus is a startup company that develops, manufactures, and sells bonding equipment using ultrasonic complex vibration bonding technology to join dissimilar metals. Ultrasonic bonding technology employs ultrasonic waves to connect dissimilar metals through the atom diffusion behaviors without melting them. Our patented complex vibration offers a number of advantages, particularly in the field of ultrasonic bonding. Conventional bonding generate foreign matter such as burrs and spatter during the bonding process. These issues are considered one of the causes of battery fires. Variations in bonding results can cause defects in the final product. On the other hand, ultrasonic complex vibration bonding technology can prevent the introduction of foreign materials by bonding at the atomic level and is expected to significantly reduce the risk of fire. The high joint strength allows for greater quality tolerances and significantly reduces the product defect rate. Our equipment is being used in lithium-ion battery production lines to improve quality, reduce maintenance workload, and increase yield. Since the amount of heat generated during bonding is extremely low compared to laser welding, no cooling water is required, and operating power consumption can be reduced by more than 90%, reducing environmental impact. Our business model is based on the fabless model, which allows us to minimize CapEx and respond quickly to customer orders. We maximize the speed of R&D as a startup. In addition to equipment, we also offer consumable products called bonding chips, which are replaced periodically. This enables us to have a recurring model, which allows us to achieve continuous sales and profits. We have acquired various patents related to ultrasonic complex vibration. Combined with the know-how of engineers, which is difficult to imitate, we consider this to be a high technological barrier. We have business model moats, such as the high switching cost due to the consumable model and the proposal of a manufacturing process that requires ultrasonic complex vibration. We believe that the AI acoustic bonding discrimination technology currently under development is a defensive wall against later technologies due to the prior accumulation of teaching data. This will firmly protect our competitive advantage. Linkus will continue to expand its capabilities in areas where cutting-edge technologies are required, such as space development, medical fields, power devices, and automotive structural spot welding. Building connections, always. Linkus.